Assalamu alaikum. I am Fayjun Nessa, Assistant Teacher of T.B.ERSHAD High School. My dear student, how are you? I hope you all are well and safe. Alhamdulillah, I am fine by the grace of God. Dear student, you know that the situation in our country is not well as the whole world is not under control because of devastating virus, corona, means COVID-19. In this situation, you will not able to take your regular class. So our government declared to take online class. It is called My Home, My School. Dear student, welcome to you online class. I think it will be helpful to you for the betterment in study. So let us start our class. Student, I shall be discuss with you English first paper in class 9 and 12. Okay. Firstly, you take out your book and find out page number 59. Have you opened? Okay. Follow the picture in this page. What do you see? There are 4 pictures in this page. In picture number 1, we see that a huge number of vehicles like cars, bus, motorcycle, rickshaw, CNG, etc. I think it creates a traffic jam. Am I right? Okay. Second picture. What about it? We see that huge number of rubbish fell down on the open place. Okay. Picture number 3. We see a tannery. And picture number 4. What are you seeing? Here, smoke emitting from the brake field and the sky nearby with covered black smoke. Do you understand what lesson will be today? Yes. Our today's lesson is environmental pollution. Unit 5. Lesson 2. Okay, student, I shall take your class in short time. So, I already found some keyword in this passage and wrote it on the blackboard. Let's discuss what mean these words. Our first word is grip. What is mean by grip? Grip means grasp, affect. Its English meaning is something holding tightly. Okay. Our next word is dweller. Dweller means inhabitant. A people who lives in a specified place. Our next word is decade. Decade means decennia. What is decennia? A period of 10 years. Okay. Next word is indiscriminate. Indiscriminate means promiscuous. Its English meaning is done without careful judgment. Its Bangla meaning is nirbichar, bar bichar. Okay? Okay? Our next word is significant. Significant means important. Okay? And we will go next column. Reduce. Reduce means disgrace. In praise, opposite word is disgrace. Disgrace means to something less. To make something less. Okay? Next word is pesticide. Pesticide means insecticide. Post-killing compound. Okay, our last word is apparently. Apparently means in fact, seemingly. Its meaning is, its English meaning is according to what seems true. Okay, I think you understand this word meaning clearly. Now, I am reading this text. You hear attentively. After I give you some question related to this passage. So, you hear attentively. Okay, let us start. Bangladesh is now in the thick of all sorts of pollution like air pollution, soil pollution and water pollution. The dwellers of the urban areas are the worst sufferer of dust pollution. The discriminate industrialization process in Bangladesh over the past decades has created significant environmental problems. We will now read about some of the most common type of environmental pollutions and ways of coping with them. Our first pollution is air pollution. Air pollution comes from a wide variety of sources. In Bangladesh, biogeners exhaust from industrial plants, great kilns, old and poorly survived vehicles and dust from roads and construction sites are some of the major sources of air pollution. Turn to the next page. We can minimize the type of pollution by making less use of motor vehicles and avoiding the use of vehicles older than 20 years. We may also use proper lubricants of less than the level of emission and pollutants. We can encourage people to use compressed natural gas. Its abbreviation is CNG. Of liquid petroleum gas. Its abbreviation is LPG. For fueling their cars. The government may relocate hazardous industrial light break kilns of areas away from human habitations. Our next pollution is water pollution. Water pollution can occur in oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds and underground reservoirs. As different water sources flow together, the pollution can spread easily and quickly. Causes of water pollution includes number 1, increased sediments from soil, number 2, erosions, number 3, improper waste disposals and littering, number 4, leakage of soil pollution into water supplies, and number 5, organic materials that decay in water supplies. In fact, polluting the land means polluting the water. Throwing away a fabric substance on the ground near a water source means it eventually reaches the body of water. As a result, the water is polluted. Industrial waste must not be deposed in rivers or lakes. We need to be more careful about depositing household waste too. insecticide means that when it rains, chemicals used in the lawn and garden wash into the water bodies. Therefore, we must be aware of the dangers of using pesticide as they may pollute our rivers, canals and lakes. Okay, dear student. Now I am giving you some question in this passage. Try to write down this question in your note khata. Okay, our first question is, who are the most sufferer of main pollution? Who are the main sufferers of main pollutions? Main pollutions. Okay. Who are the main sufferers of main pollution? Who are the? Yes, the people of the urban area are the main sufferers of main pollutions. Okay. Our next question is, what has created? What has created significant environment problem in Bangladesh? Okay, what has created significant environment problems in Bangladesh? Our answer will be indiscriminate and unplanned industrialization over the past decades has created significant environment problems in Bangladesh. Okay, our last question is, how many kinds of pollution are mentioned here? How many kinds of pollution are mentioned here? What are they? What are they? And dear student, how many kinds of pollution are mentioned here? Yes, two pollutions. Yeah, number one, air pollution, and number two, water pollution. Okay, we have also pollution. We face this pollution our daily life. Soil pollution, sound pollution, and recently smell pollution. Okay, I have finished this class, and finally I want to say Don't waste your time. Be careful and serious in your study. Okay? Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.